Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Infiniti QX56 4x4. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include Touring Package, Technology Package, Air Filtration, Front Air Conditioning, Airbags, Auxiliary Audio Input, Satellite Radio, Speed-Sensitive Volume Control, Anti-Lock Brakes, Braking Assist, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Power Windows, Universal Remote, Battery Saver, External Temperature Display, Moonroof, Roof Rails, Body Side Reinforcements, Child Seat Anchors, Parking Sensors, Seat Belt Force Limiters, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, Navigation System, Wireless Data Link, Trailer Hitch, Rear Privacy Glass, and Window Defogger.